Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to set up these 3 brand new valves. We're going to wire them up. So I'm just explaining how to wire them up. The white wire is the common wire, and then red could be zone 1, 2, and 3. So the colors just mean what valve is zone number 1, 2, and 3, and you can look at the timer as to where it's plugged into the timer, and that's zone 1, 2, or 3. But they all need to be connected to the common wire. So each valve has an actuator and then a solenoid. This is basically an electromagnet, and it has 2 wires coming off of it. And it doesn't matter which one, but one from each of the valves goes to the white. So I take these protective covers off, I wind them together. And then I wind them onto the white. Okay, and then whatever color, because I really don't care, I can rearrange it at the timer. I just unplug the wire and plug it back in. So I just grab whichever's handy. So that one's white, that one's red, this one happens to be green. So the other wire, one wire of each valve goes to white, and they all get bundled together, and then one wire from each goes to one other colored wire to indicate what zone it is. And that's it. That is wiring up valves.